Hey guys, so today I filmed this Halloween look. I haven't made a video in a really long time, so I wanted to get back on YouTube, like hitting back hard, just boom, in your face. That was dumb. So I did like this Halloween look. It's like half skull, half like glam face, and it's like bloody. I don't know. The blood, I could have done better, you know. I admit it, could have done better, but I don't have latex and I don't have Ben Nye scab blood, which I wish I did, but I don't have any monies because I'm broke and in college, so yeah. If you want to see how I did this, I guess keep watching. Yeah. Suddenly I know what YouTube is again, and suddenly I'm gonna make a video. So yeah, a lot of things have changed. This is my dorm. I'm in college now. So this look is pretty much going to be inspired by this girl. Her Instagram is makeup by, oh, you can't even see that. Her Instagram is makeup by Arlinda. So yeah, I thought it looked really cool. We're going to see where this goes. First, I'm going to do, First, I'm going to do like the glam side of it, and then I'm going to do like the skull part on this side of my face, since this side is my right side, so it's a little easier for me to control. So for the normal side, I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette. I haven't been on YouTube in like a hot minute. So like, how are you guys? How are you doing? And I don't really have anything planned for this side. I'm just gonna kind of like do something glam, you know, like some cute, some nice. I'm gonna make it kind of smoky though, since like the other half of my face is literally gonna be black and white. So I feel like it should have more drama, you know? Right now I'm using burnt orange and I'm putting that in the crease. Sorry if I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm using my boyfriend's camera and I don't know how to act because I don't have this camera. I actually don't have any class today, so I didn't have anything to do really, except for like study. So I'm just procrastinating right now. Any free time that I have is just me procrastinating. So yeah, I'm doing this, but it's okay. It needs to be done. I really miss making videos. I just didn't really know if I could in the dorm, because obviously I have a roommate. So right now I'm just taking Mulberry and Rustic from the same palette, and I'm just adding that into the outer corner of my eye, the outer corner of my eye, just to really smoke it out and whatnot. Now I'm gonna take this MAC, the number's literally ripped off, 242. MAC 242, and I'm gonna take some setting spray. This is the Morphe continuous setting mist, and I'm gonna spray it on the brush. Oof, that was kind of a lot. I'm gonna take bronze from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm just literally putting so much on, like a lot, just going in, go ham. I didn't feel like doing a whole cut crease, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, and then I'm going to go back with the Morphe M514 and pat really lightly on the outer edges of the bronze color just to blend that in. I took a little intermission in between this video so far. I literally just ate lunch and now I'm back. I put on some lashes and I don't know what else I did at this point. I finished the eyeshadow and I'm going to go ahead and start on the rest of my face. So I'm going to use primer. I like to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the primerizer, because it's really moisturizing and I have really dry skin. So, you know, I'm just trying to help her out here. So I'm just going to put foundation on this side of my face for obvious reasons. Since I want like a really full coverage, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick Foundation. Ooh, 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 ooh. Just to highlight like underneath the eyes, I'm gonna use LA Girl Pro Conceal in Porcelain, and I have like none left. I'm just squeezing it out. So sad, and this concealer is like $2. Don't know why I don't just get more, but okay. To set my face, I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Powder. I've had this stuff for so long, and I still have so much left. I don't know how. And I just kind of take this with a sponge and pat it like kind of all over, but like lightly-ish. I'm gonna go ahead and go underneath the eye with the same shadows that I used like for this from the Soft Glam palette. I'm also really smoking this out because, sorry, I got like a little bit in my eye, because I want it to be like dark-ish. And then I'm gonna highlight my inner corner with one of the shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette, like, you know, one of the white shades. They're really bright. I'm gonna use the Morphe M506 instead, just because it's way better. I just like to use this brush because I feel like it really blends it into like that tear duct part of your eye, and it's like so small and fluffy. So now I'm just gonna bronze this half of my face, and I'm using this Wet n Wild Megaglow contour palette. Oof, that was a lot. No, it's fine. Always blend upwards. Like if you do what I just did, just like blend it into your hair and it'll be fine. I'm gonna just go ahead and take it up to my forehead because why not? Might as well, since I already look hella bronzed. Now that I look chiseled AF, I'm gonna add some blush. I really like to use the Milani Luminoso just because it's so pretty. Like, I never use any other blush. Don't know why. Then for highlighter, I'm gonna be using Laura Geller Gilded Honey per usual. I'm gonna spray my brush with some setting spray, and this is one of the brushes that I got at the Miss A store. It says High Def Brush E104, so I don't know. I'm gonna see if it's good for highlighting because that's what I wanted to use it for. Yeah. Oh, this brush is like wet. Whoopsies. How are you guys liking this new camera? It's not actually mine, it's Gabe's, but I have my Sony. Well, actually we both split that one, so it's kind of like ours, but then he got this one, so then that one became like mine, you know what I mean? Now for the fun part, I'm gonna start mapping out my skull with a white pencil. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, so it's really creamy. Okay, I think I'm gonna do here. And this pencil is really fat, I kind of forgot. I'm getting like foundation over it, but it's fine. I'm gonna go here, down. Should I put too much foundation on? It's cool, whatever. And oh, there. Yeah, I put foundation over here when I probably shouldn't have, but it's fine. It's easier to use like a white pencil like this and map it out, because like if you realize you don't like it, you didn't actually paint, so you can just like take it off later. I feel like this should look different. I don't like that. I'm gonna erase it. Oh my god, this looks literally the same. It's fine. I'm just gonna keep it because clearly I can't draw anything else. This whole thing is just a process, honestly. So you can look at pictures of skulls online, like on Instagram or something. That might, like pictures of other skull makeup. I kind of want to make this skull really dark, so I'm gonna add lines like here, here probably, just like above here. Okay, I'm gonna see how that turns out later. Okay, so now that I kind of mapped out where I want the skull, I'm gonna draw the teeth because it's easier to add white and then add black later rather than adding white on top of the black. I'm using NYX white liquid liner and I'm kind of scared. I'm not that good at drawing teeth, honestly. So here I go. Wish me luck. Sorry I keep looking in the viewfinder. I can't stop staring at myself. This one looks kind of dumb. It's fine. It's on the edge. So since my eyeliner was failing on me, I just switched to white paint. This is a really cheap flash palette that I got off of Amazon. I would probably recommend getting like NYX cream white paint. Honestly, that's what I wanted to use, but I literally went to the NYX store 2 days ago. And I was looking for like white or black paint and they didn't like have any, so I was like, what the fuck? This is NYX. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my teeth with white. So I'm gonna take black eyeshadow. This is Noir from Anastasia, and I'm gonna take it like on a little angled brush like this, just so I can really like get in between. I think I'm gonna map out the black parts with black eyeliner. So this is gonna be like my eye region. I'm not really being too careful with this just because I'm gonna paint it later. That's a nose. That's it. Yes. So now that I have like my black parts mapped out, I'm gonna go ahead and take the white. I just put it like on a palette. I'm gonna take the white paint from my flash palette, and I'm gonna take like this brush. It's just like a flat brush, and I'm just gonna start painting the white parts of the skull. So now I'm gonna take the black paint from my flash palette and fill in like the black parts of the skull. So, oh my god, this feels so weird. Yes, this is it. So now I'm just gonna fill in like the nose part, the cheeks on the side, and just like the hollow spaces with more black. Now that I have like my face painted white and the black parts done, I'm taking the same black paint from my flash palette, and I'm gonna take it on like this fluffy brush, and I'm just taking it and kind of like patting it in to blend it in with the white parts, because I want it to kind of look like bloody, but like this is black and white, so yeah, kind of like, oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, well, what I did on this side basically I'm doing on this side, and that was an accident. So this is why I don't like working with black, because it just gets everywhere, and if you mess up, like, it's game over. So now that I kind of like blended the black part out a little too much, you know, but it's fine, it's cool. I'm gonna take some more black, and I'm gonna add a little bit more detail to like the eye socket area and kind of like this cheek part, just to make it look more like sunken in and hollow. So now I just outlined like the skeleton part of my face with black. I bought this at Walmart. It was like 97 cents, but it kind of like sucks, so I'm just gonna use paint. So I mixed black and red, and I'm just gonna like pat it on there and hope that it looks bloody. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that. I don't know why, but this kind of actually turned purple. Okay, so since my camera is literally about to die and I literally have 2 minutes of recording time left, why is it not focusing? I'm just gonna keep talking. So I just like blended the bloody part like into my face with like a blending brush, and I just like patted it in. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Comment what you're gonna be for Halloween, so maybe I'll do another Halloween look. I don't know, who knows, you know? And hopefully I have time to make more YouTube videos and more Halloween looks, because I really like want to do more, but I just don't have any time. I'm always grinding, always getting that bread. Okay, it's not focusing. Bye.